Hi everyone, today let us learn how to fix Airtel Xstream box picture quality issue in just 3 steps. So step 1, use HDMI cable instead of AV cable. First we will see what will happen if we use AV cable with the set-top box. So now I choose the input AV, and then the set-top box loads with the resolution quality of 576i SD or the standard quality. Now I will go to the settings and then to the Android settings, where we will get an option of device preferences, then to the display. Here we go, and here we can see resolution, which is just auto. We don't have any options for the resolutions. So in the AV cable we get only one standard quality resolution. Now I have connected the set-top box with HDMI cable, and now I will go to the inputs and then select HDMI 1. So that's the HDMI 1. I will select the HDMI 1, and the set-top box loads with the 4K resolution with 50 Hz. So that is the difference between using AV cable and the HDMI cable. So now I will go to the settings, and we will do the same thing. We will go to the Android settings and then to the device preferences, and sorry for the video quality, it's not that good. And then we'll go to the display, and there we can see the resolution. We have lots of options here. This is the 4K resolution options, which we'll get for 24, 30, 25, 60 and 50 Hz. So I think now you know the reason why we use HDMI cable instead of AV cable. Step 2, update your software. So before updating your software, we have to check for updates if they are available or not. So first we'll go to the settings and then go to the Android settings, and then we will go to the device preferences. There we will find an about section, and then we'll go to the system update option. So here we can check for updates, and if any updates are available, we need to download those updates. So here you can update the Android version of your set-top box. To update the software of your Airtel Xstream set-top box, you have to go into advanced settings, system diagnostic, and then software info, where you can check for updates again, and then if any updates are available, download those so as to get the best picture quality for your set-top box. Step 3, change HDMI signal format. So the TV which I have has an option called HDMI signal format, where you can change it from standard format to enhanced format so as to get better picture quality with vibrant colors. So I don't know all the TVs have this option or not. I have OnePlus Q1 TV. So what it does is, so here you can see the side-by-side comparison of standard format and enhanced format. In the enhanced format, you can get better picture quality with vibrant colors. You can see the red in the Airtel Xstream. So you can compare those with the standard format, and you can get the perfect difference. So with these 3 steps, we can fix the picture quality issue of the Airtel Xstream set-top box. So this is it for today. Hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos, and